In this session, let us understand first in, first out method. We know it is the Stowes Department which receives material when they are purchased and issues material for consumption. When materials are issued for consumption or say production, they have to be priced and closing stock of material also got to be valued. If materials are issued for production at the price in which they are purchased, or say at the order in which they are purchased, then that method of pricing the issue of materials is called as first in, first out method. By following this method, issue of materials will recover the purchase price and it will not reflect the current market price, and because of this reason this method is considered suitable especially when prices are falling in the market. The reason is material cost that is charged to production will be high, but the replacement cost of materials will be low over here.